The guy from the gadget show driving the DeLorean. They never even said it in there.
Now we see this guy who gave a couple of lifts in that. We've got a Lotus there, we've got a McLaren.
Yeah, see the morning. I'm going to get it.
Got that Ferrari and that Maserati just sitting there.
He's driving all the way to Thingy, the guy from the gadget show. That is a nice car.
That's a McLaren from the back. It's a long tail. It's got a very long tail. And now we're moving
675 long tail.
Right, look. That is a Ferrari, look. Ferrari 458 if you can do that. Really, really nice.
Oh my god, there's no cars down there now.
You've got hardly any cars. You've got that.
Ben, that blue one you like still there? That's not